Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Enhanced Edition Car Battery Charger 12V 10A, 24V 5A Lithium Lead-Acid LiFePO4. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. 12V 10A, 24V 5A 7-stage battery charger suitable for all types of calcium, gel, and AGM, wet, EFB. A mode can be selected to charge car truck batteries, motorcycle batteries, or AGM batteries. LCD display shows charging status and battery status, charging voltage, charging current, charger inside temperature, indoor temperature, full battery, summer mode, winter mode, and more. Fully automatic high-frequency charging offers 7-stage charging, automatically switching from fast charge to top charge and then to trickle charge. The pulse repair function can help repair lost battery and extend battery life. Note: you cannot activate a dead battery or repair a seriously damaged battery. It also cannot repair a 100% new battery. Built-in circuit protection against reverse polarity, sparks, overload, overcurrent, open circuits, short circuits and overheating. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.